Hello, welcome to PETERMATICS, where mathematics is made simple. Today we want to talk about multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of a number is another number that you multiply it by to get one. That is, if two numbers multiply each other to get one. Another word for multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. Following are the objective we want to achieve under multiplicative inverse. Number one, what is multiplicative inverse? That has been explained at the beginning of this class. Now we want to achieve this. How to find multiplicative inverse for whole numbers, for fractions, for decimals, and for negative numbers. How to find multiplicative inverse when we are dealing with whole numbers, fractions, decimals, and negative numbers. To find multiplicative inverse of whole number. To find the multiplicative inverse of a whole number, such as a, the multiplicative inverse of a inverse of a is 1 over a. Why? If I multiply a by 1 over a, my result is going to be 1. A divides a here, it gives me 1. So, more examples. Examples 2. What is the inverse, multiplicative inverse of 2? Multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 over 2. So, if I multiply 2 by 1 over 2, my answer will be 1. Okay. To find the multiplicative inverse of a fraction, what do you need to do? Simply swap the numerator and denominator. For instance, if we have a fraction, if we have a fraction such as a divided by b, what is multiplicative inverse of a divided by b? It is b divided by a. That is, we swap numerator for denominator. And if we multiply these two fractions, a divided by b multiplied by b divided by a, what will it give us? A divides a here, that's 1. B divides b here, our answer is 1. So when you are dealing with fraction, the multiplicative inverse of a fraction is obtained when you change numerator for denominator. Let us look at the third objective. Looking for multiplicative inverse of decimal. What do you need to do? Convert the decimal to fraction, then swap or flip the numerator and denominator. Let's look at an example we have here. Find the multiplicative inverse of 0.2. Find the multiplicative inverse of 0.2. So what do we need to do? We need to convert the decimal to fraction. So, and this will be 2 divided by what? 10. Because the place value of 2 here is 2/10. Then what is common factor between 2 and 10? The common factor is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. divided by 2, 5. So we have the lowest term of the fraction to be 1 over 5. And what is multiplicative inverse of 1 over 5? The multiplicative inverse of 1 over 5 is plus 5. Because if I multiply 1 divided by 5 by 5, it will give me 1. That is 1 over 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 5. And what does it give? It's equal to 1. So the answer here is plus 5. Plus 5. So for the negative numbers, the sign remains negative. For example, the inverse of minus a is minus 1 over a, because minus a multiplied by minus 1 over a will give me plus 1, or let me say 1. Minus multiplied minus 2 will give positive. And a divided a and give 1. So negative sign remain the same. Like if I say what is multiplicative inverse of minus x, multiplicative inverse of minus x remain minus 1 over x, because if they multiply each other, that will give 1. Minus multiply minus, that's plus. X divide x, that is 1. Let's do these 3 questions to support what we have learned from multiplicative inverse. Question 1. Find the multiplicative inverse of 3 divided by 8. So what I'm going to do, just swap or flip the numerator and denominator. So our answer is going to be yes. Who can get it? Who can get it? Put it in the comment section. The answer. I'm waiting for you. The answer is 8 divided by 3 for question 1. Question 2. Which of the following is the reciprocal of 0.25? That is, which of them is the multiplicative inverse of 0.5? Is 0.25. Let me manage this little space. Okay, so 0.25. What do we do first? You have to take it to fraction, and it's going to be, look at it, this point, 1, 0, 0. So it's going to be 25 divided by 100. What do we do next? You look for the common factors. So 25 here, 1. How many 25 do we have in 100? 4. So the lowest term of 25 divided by 100 is 1 over 4. Okay? Then what's going to be multiplicative inverse of 1 over 4? The multiplicative inverse of 1 over 4 is 4. So our answer is C. Our answer is C. Okay? The multiplicative inverse of minus 5 is minus 1 divided by 5. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, so that whenever I upload free video like this where mathematics is made simple, you'll be among the first beneficiary. See you next time.